Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by W.T. Pierce in 1877. See that black just has the king and a pawn left. White has the king, a pair of knights, the bishop, and a queen and a pawn. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Knight to d6 move is only a checkmate in 3 and not 2. The king can move to c3. You can recheck with the knight. King is then forced to move to d3, and then you can checkmate in 3 with the bishop. Moving the knight to d2 is only a checkmate in 3. If the king moves to c5, you can move the queen out. King can then move back down to d4, and you can checkmate in 3 with the queen. Black decides to push the f-pawn instead of moving the king. You can then checkmate in 4 by moving the queen to b4. Moving the queen to b3 is only a checkmate in 3 and not 2. Black can push the f-pawn. You can then check the king with the queen to e3 move. After black takes the knight, you can then checkmate with the other knight. Checking the king with the queen to d2 move doesn't get you a checkmate in 2. The king can escape, although you can prepare to checkmate in 4 by moving the knight and checking. As the king has a single escape square, you can then finally mate in 4 with the queen. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the knight to a5. Black pushes their pawn, you can then move the queen to c4 to checkmate in 2. If black decides to move the king to c3, you can then move the queen to d2 to checkmate in 2. If black moves the king to c5, you can then move the queen to f2 to checkmate in 2. And if the king moves to e4, you can then move the queen to d5 to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe to not miss out on future chess puzzles, and I'll see you again soon.